Okay guys, this is the finished product now, and again, this is a custom logo I designed for Hummel Aircraft. You can see that here. And again, you can look at this actual finished graphic. This does have the 3M8518 laminate applied to it. And right now, we've got a swiveling, full articulated UV light. And what I want to do is I want to just show you the reflection on this, because most vinyl, you do not get a gloss effect similar to a base coat, clear coat paint job. This is as close to it as you will get. Matter of fact, if you look at my hand reflection in the actual image itself, you can see exactly what you're getting. It lays down completely flat. And as I hold that up, you can see all of the reflective pattern. Okay? This graphic is completely waterproof. When I say waterproof, once again, this will be able to sustain, if required, underwater submersion, actual underwater submersion, which in this industry is unheard of, unless you're dealing with special made marine actual type vinyl, in terms of actually making it so that the prints are impermeable to water. This is an inkjet based material that is completely waterproof. And again, most materials, if you contact the vendor and you say, can I submerge this completely underwater, would it survive? They're going to give you a lot of different sayings. This material will. The adhesive that this material uses is totally different than what's commercially available. It's an extremely strong acrylic bond, and it will hold up not only with the graphics underwater as far as the ink and the lamination, but also with the bonding of whatever you're applying it to, pending the applicated surface is cleaned properly. So again, seeing this basically determines, again, gives you a reproduction of what it would be like in the sun, so to speak, using the UV light. But you can definitely see here the finish on this is just absolutely insane. And that's exactly what we're trying, or at least most people are trying to go after, especially us. When we're trying to do a finished product for our clients, we want it to look the absolute best it can look. Now, these would be applied as a bumper sticker in general, or just a general graphic. And again, you want the durability to be there. If you're trying to serve your clients with the best materials on the market, bar none, these are without a doubt the best. Not because we design them, but because we deal with them every day. And like I said, call up your vendors and find out all of the details. Find out if their material, when they say it's waterproof, define that. And you want in writing what they mean by waterproof. We will do a video where we submerge this completely underwater, maybe not this individual graphic, but this substrate, so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about when we say waterproof. Okay, because waterproof itself, that term, you hear water resistant. We hear a lot of different terms in the industries. We hear a lot of bogus warranties. Again, it's impossible to warranty any material and truly have a warranty with it, because every variable would have to be adjusted for it to do that. Therefore, that's not possible. But when we tell you it's waterproof, we mean it is waterproof. And again, we have a lot of clients dealing with jet skis, dealing with a lot of motorcraft in the Gulf or in the water. We're located in Florida. And again, this material is amazing because it gives you the same benefits of a printer that would be using sublimation or high-end type vinyls in terms of cost, and it allows you to do this type of material at your house with the same effect of that. Now you take that into consideration and you can see how viable it is. But looking at this reflection again, you can see exactly what I'm talking about just by pivoting that slightly. So again, guys, I hope the video has been helpful. We'll have more coming. Of course, we've been very busy trying to fulfill this and many other orders. Thank you again for your support.